was there for my bachelor party a few weeks ago, and I see them building this giant. No, I'm serious. A lot of my friends are not happy about it, but everyone had fun. But they're building a giant Guardians roller coaster. It looks like an Epcot, which I'm so psyched about. How involved were you guys in sort of designing these rides, or did the Imagineers come pitch you guys? Or?
Kevin and I get together on a weekend, and we get a bunch of toothpicks, and we build the rides. We go to the Imagineers, we say, we want the twist to happen like this. If not, we're taking them back.
It did look weird.
That's why so many people have died.
A lot of toothpick impaled workers.
Yeah, they come and they talk to us. We don't have anything to do with the actual structure of the ride itself. There's people that do that, but for me, it's been.
But the stories of the ride, like, do you guys? Did they pitch you, or do you guys say, hey, this would be?
The success of this movie has given me so many, pleasures and wonderful things that I never would have thought I would have ever received. I have a platinum record and a gold record because of the soundtracks I have. Being able to work on the two rides, the one in Disneyland and the one in Epcot. And be a part of that in some small way is such a pleasure. And also I learned so much from dealing with the Imagineers in terms of building the ride, and what kind of music they want, and why they need it, and what the characters need to do. There's a different acting style they employ that's way crazier and more employed. So they need to keep people's attention, so everything's kind of amped up because you're amped up when you're seeing it. So then it becomes normal to people in the queue. But so I had to direct people in ridiculous ways when we did the other movie. All the kind of ways that I try to get those guys not to do when I'm directing the actual film. But it's really cool. It's really big fun.
What about you, Kevin?
It's great. It's a dream, and even thinking about our meeting in Wilmington, that we in a few short years would be on a stage talking about multiple Imagineering attractions in Disney parks based on that movie. Is crazy, and I'm not entirely sure this isn't all a simulation of some kind. Not
70% yes.
Yes, yeah, but it's cool. It's really exciting, and it's just getting a chance to see Imagineering meeting on your schedule is pretty awesome.
That's awesome. Well, these guys.